The latest forecasts, Anthony, from the IEA this morning, what are they saying particularly about China and the demand from the world's second largest economy?
Yeah, they're bringing forward their estimate for when they think Chinese crude oil demand is going to peak. So they're saying oil demand peaking in China in about 2027. So that's earlier. And then in general, 2030, global crude oil demand peaking. And this has been a discussion in the oil market going back and forth because you'll have countries like those in OPEC, companies like Saudi Aramco, that are much more bullish on the future of demand. So they'll say that China is not going to peak, that we're going to keep seeing increasing growth. Interestingly, we have been seeing record global oil demand for every consecutive year for the last few years. So every time oil demand does grow, that's a new record. Of course, we are seeing slower demand growth, and that's why we're seeing this kind of slack in the market so far going into this year. That's why OPEC Plus is still restricting production. Granted, they are bringing oil back, but they've got a lot of oil still kept off the market. So we're seeing this kind of longer-term view where oil demand is lessening, oil demand for transport fuels is lessening, and that's really what the IEA is talking about there, that key market of China, whether that is going to peak sooner than expected or later than expected. And that's a key question for a lot of the economies here in this region, Tom.